Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Claypot chicken rice, a famous dish enjoyed in Hong Kong, Malaysia and Singapore. And this is a little sneak peek of how it's gonna look like. And trust me, if you're wondering what to make during quarantine, this is the dish for you. The first step is to marinate the chicken. These are the ingredients that you'll need. First off, 250 grams of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, and 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour. To start marinating, add in the sesame oil, followed by your oyster sauce, your light soy sauce, sugar, Chinese cooking wine, and your corn flour. Then you want to really mix the ingredients well, and we can leave it aside to marinate while preparing our next item, the sauce. So for this, you will need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/3 cup of water. Let's start. Heat up your pan, then add in your cooking oil into the pan. Let the oil heat up before you add in the rest of your ingredients. Once it's heated up, you can start adding in your dark soy sauce. Then stir it. Stir it while putting the rest of the ingredients, followed by your light soy sauce, your sugar, and lastly, water. I'll just stir it for not more than a minute because you don't want the sauce to evaporate. So you can just leave it aside and let it cool down. Then we can start cooking the rice. To cook the rice, I'll be using 2 cups of rice. So make sure to wash your rice first. I'll also be using 1 Chinese sausage and spring onions. This is for garnishing purpose. Alright, let's get to it. Add in your 2 cups of rice into your clay pot. Then you can add in your 2 cups of water. And you'll notice I'm pouring my water into a bowl is just because I'm Asian and I really want to make sure that my grains of rice are not wasted. If you are like me, I bet you do the same. So 2 cups of water added in. I will then cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see that the rice looks absolutely beautiful. Then you can just put your marinated chicken on top of the rice, followed by the Chinese sausage. Just spread it on top. At this point, if you would like to add in any other meat, this is the time to add in. Alright. Oops, I forgot 2 slices of Chinese sausage over there. Never waste food. Okay, then you cover it with the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. The meat should be cooked by then. So now we can start with the 4th step to mix everything. So just to check that the chicken has already cooked before you start mixing. So what we're gonna mix is actually the sauce that we made. So just pour the sauce all over. Mix it. Make sure the rice is covered with sauce. The last step is garnishing. The spring onions can just be added on top. There's no specific amount of spring onions to be used because it's up to your preference. And that's it. This is how the dish is gonna look like. Simple, right? Go try it. Thanks for watching.